Okay guys, today we're going to go over how to make a hand sanitizer at home. We're going to start out with cutting our aloe vera leaves. You could definitely use aloe vera juice if you wanted to use the juice instead. You just want to make sure that the aloe vera contains about 40%, the hand sanitizer contains about 40% of the mixture. Kind of peeling this top layer back with a standard potato peeler. You could use a knife as well. This is just what I like to do to get out this inner fillet of this big aloe leaf. Okay, now once we have it all trimmed up, we're just gonna spoon out this inner fillet of the aloe vera. And I'm obtaining 3 ounces of this aloe vera. So I have 3 ounces of my aloe vera inner fillet, and now I'm going to add 99% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to add 5 ounces to complete my total 8-ounce mixture. Now that we've mixed our alcohol and our aloe vera together, we're going to blend them with a submersion blender to get them thoroughly mixed. After the aloe and the alcohol are thoroughly mixed, we can add essential oil blend of your choice. I have mint and tea tree oil, so I'm going to add about 1 to 3% of my total volume to this. And then it's ready to bottle, and that's how you incorporate your garden into your hand sanitizer.